Tom Tucker walking slowly is a meme. Tom Tucker is a character in Family Guy. He's the local television news anchor for Quahog 5 News. The meme comes from Season 3, Episode 8 of Family Guy titled The Kiss Scene Around the World, which aired on August 29, 2001. In that episode, Meg Griffin takes on an internship at a local news station. She develops a crush on Tom Tucker in the process. In one scene near the beginning of the episode, Meg encounters Tom Tucker walking through a high school hallway, and as he walks away from her, the scene slows to a dramatic slow motion shot, suggesting to the viewer that Meg perceives him as attractive. The punchline is then revealed. Tom Tucker simply walks that slowly. The reason this became a meme is because of aura farming. Tom Tucker's walk fits neatly in that template, giving creators a ready-made visual shorthand for depicting someone aura farming. The meme started spreading on TikTok in early 2026. One of the earliest examples was posted on February 6th by TikTok account The Official MMA. The video combined a clip of UFC fighter Mark Hunt knocking out Frank Mir with an edited version of the Tom Tucker walking scene. The caption read, "He thinks he was the Tom Tucker." The video accumulated over 250,000 views in a month. The format gained significant momentum in March of 2026. On March 1st, TikToker Green Screens for Memes posted a clip of Tom Tucker with the word aura displayed on a screen, a clean template video designed for reuse. The post got over 300,000 views in a week and became one of the primary audio and visual templates others built on. From there, the meme expanded into a second format, accuracy reenactments, where other creators filmed themselves replicating Tom Tucker's slow walk in real-world hallways. What meme do you want me to explain next? Let me know in the comments down below after you hit the subscribe button.